Within the last few hours, the president was helicoptered to Walter Reed Medical Center for treatment of his coronavirus. The president and first lady have access, of course, to the best health care in the world. Senator Mike Lee of Utah and Senator Thom Tillis of North Carolina both have good insurance. Same with top Trump aide Hope Hicks. And all this to say that one cannot help but note, as we think of the health of all those people and hope they have speedy recoveries, the event that brought some of them together, where some of this transmission appears to have taken place, was an event to nominate a Supreme Court justice to put on the court and make sure she was on the court in time to hear the case a week after the election in which this administration and Republican attorneys general and the Department of Justice are trying to destroy the entire structure of healthcare protection in this country. Right now, the Affordable Care Act, which protects people with pre-existing conditions, among a whole bunch of other really important regulations, is being targeted by the White House in the midst of a pandemic that has sickened 7.3 million people. And if this administration gets its way, if they are victorious in court, it would lead to millions losing their coverage outright, including protections for pre-existing conditions, which would be overturned in a country in which there are millions now with the pre-existing conditions because they had COVID. I mean, even without the Justice Department trying to gut the ACA in court as they are, the uninsured rate has gone up under Trump, and that's because of policies they've chosen. And because of the pandemic also, several million people are already losing their health insurance, losing their jobs. I mean, never, ever has it been more apparent that everyone, every single American deserves access to good quality health care, a guarantee of that in the midst of an infectious disease that is working its way through our entire society.